Hi, Wei Ming here from Mingwei. Thank you very much for dropping by and welcome to my channel. Today is the 16th of August 2025 and the time now is 12 noon. As the sun is right on top of me, that's I can see a bit my face a bit dark in color. Okay, so you couldn't see the shade. I mean the shade is on my face, so it's a bit difficult to see my face now. The sun is right on top. It's around 12 noon now. Okay, now my mission today. Okay, another new episode of this epic updating construction site, because I want to do it every month. I'll try to make it sometime on the 15th or 16th of every month. Okay, so again I'm using my DJI Mini 2SE to do the job, and this machine has been doing a good job all this while. Let's fly this drone over to the site and show you the latest update. Okay, first of all, let me just turn on the RC. Okay, and it's only the battery is only 50%. Okay. Okay. Okay, turn on the drone. It's very hot today. It's a bit windy. It's not really that windy, sorry. It's not that windy, but off and on there are quite a strong gusts blowing from that side. Okay, quite strong one, off and on, off and on. Okay, now let me check it out. The settings. Let me just check the settings. Okay, it's a bit difficult for me to see because it's a bit glaring. Okay, the controls, camera. Yeah, I need to format the SD card. Okay, let's format the SD card.
Home point updated.
Transmission. Okay, safety. I want to check the battery. Check the battery, see this is alright. Hang on, I check the battery info. Ooh, battery cycle count is already 32. I've been flying it for so long already. I mean, many times already. Okay. Alright, so takeoff permitted and record. Okay. As usual, let me just fly the drone close to the tripods before we take off to, fly over to the site. Okay, now let's start up.
Take off.
Take off.
Home point updated.
Again, the beautiful Mini 2SE. Yep. Battery with 100%. Beautiful drone. It's really such a beauty. Okay, let's make sure the drone is good to go. Okay, before I go, let me just yaw and see whether it is stable. It is. Yep, very good. So let's fly. Now I have to get a shade over here because otherwise it would be very glaring. Okay, let's fly. Okay, but I can hardly see the screen because it is too glaring. Okay, let's go. Now, for those of you who's new to my channel, and if this is the kind of content that you like, do consider subscribe to my channel. Right, and okay, I think what I'll do is I have to fly a bit higher because there's a lot of buildings in front there. I will be flying up to 50 or 60 meters at least. Let's go up. Yeah, bring down my gimbal. I don't want to see too much of the sky. Okay. Up I go. And the construction site is just right in front of me. Now, there is a lot of progress going on over there. Because as you know that this site is quite near to my place. And I have been seeing this site from outside. Okay, I've been seeing this site from outside, from the main road, and it seems there's a lot of progress I can see. Alright, now bring down the gimbal a little bit more, turn to my right, and let's go. Because you can see there's a lot of progress compared to last month. I have to bring up a little bit more higher because I'm a bit worried. I'm a bit worried with those buildings and cranes around here. Let me just go up to, okay, 50 meters now, more than 50 meters. I think I should be safe enough. Now, okay, let me just roll to my right. As usual, I'll roll to my right and I use my left stick to do the necessary angle. Hold it, let me just turn over to my right again. Yeah, okay. I want to make sure there's no obstacle over here. Yes, okay, I am safe to roll to my right. Okay, so let's roll to my right because flying sideways is always the best method. Okay, it's always the best method to cover a large area. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of progress. I'll just reverse a little bit. Oh, reverse a little. Oh, no. Okay, I'll reverse a little. Okay, and I'll go up again. Okay, now roll to my right. Roll to my right. And I use my left stick to do the angling. To reverse a little bit more. Okay, up a bit more. Maybe I'll go up to 60 meters. Yep. Okay, go to my right. Now, yeah, I actually couldn't see properly from my screen because as I said, it's a bit glaring. It's 12 noon, so it's a bit difficult for me to see, but I think I can, I just barely can see it, but not really that clear. Okay, now, yeah. Check this out. It's too fast. I mean, the progress, there's a lot of progress going on there. They build it too fast. A month ago was so much different from today. I mean, the building, you see, the site looks so clear now. I mean, the structure of the building is so clear now compared to last month, isn't it? Yeah, okay. And I will stop for a short while over here. Now check this out. Okay, I'll go up higher. Battery is 70%. Take note on this. Go up higher, bring down my gimbal a little. Okay, I'm 80 meters. I think I am very, very safe now. Oh, there's a lot of changes. Yeah, there's a lot of changes. I can see there's a lot of changes. Now, okay, rope to my left again. Okay. Okay, let's go forward. Let's go forward and I'll drop my gimbal over. I mean, yeah, drop my gimbal so that you can see at the bottom. So beautiful. Yep. Yep. Shall I go up a bit higher? Yes, why not? To be on the safe side. Okay. The triangle building. Okay, I'm flying at 95 meters now. I mean, the altitude is 95 meters now. Okay, battery with 84%. I think I am still have a lot of power. So, okay. Now, as usual, I will go over to the staff quarters. Yeah, okay, that's beautiful. Okay, let's go to the staff quarters. Okay, that is on the top right. That's the staff quarters. I believe it is staff quarters or a cafeteria. Now, okay, I don't see any changes at the staff quarters. Okay. Further, drop my gimbal a little bit more. Go further a bit. Okay, and this will be my angle. Normally I will turn to my left. Yeah, bring up my gimbal. Okay, I'll turn to my left. So you can see the surrounding. Yeah, okay. And I bring down my gimbal again. Go down a little. reverse. Yeah, this is how it looks like now. Reverse a little bit more. Okay, that will do. Bring down the gimbal a little and check this out. Okay, actually I got a bit of interference. My FPV got a bit of interference now, so I am not too clear. I don't see the screen. I don't see, I mean the screen doesn't show a clear picture. I mean I don't have a very clear FPV now. There's a bit of interference. Now I'll tell you what, why don't I will just fly back home now because I couldn't see. There's a lot of interference around this place. Okay, I'll bring up my gimbal. And okay, this is where I am. I mean, this is where this how the surroundings look like. Okay, I will turn to my right. Okay, and okay, fly back home. I'm flying at 83 meters altitude, and I'm flying back home now. I hope I have a clear FPV, then I can show you around. Otherwise, I will have to land the drone. Okay, it's very near already. Okay, the drone is back. Now, for your information, the air quality is so much better than last month already. Now you can see, I mean, there is still some haze, but at least it's better than last month. It's not really, it's not as bad as last month. Okay, now you can see this Menara 118. It is right in front. I'll turn to my right a little bit more. Turn to my right a little bit more. Yeah, it's right in front. That's Menara 118, I believe. Okay, because I couldn't see very clear. I couldn't see clear. Okay, as I said, it's really very glaring over here. And I hope you can see. I do not know whether if you can see this Petronas Twin Tower. Drop a little bit more. I don't want to see so much of sky. Okay, I do not know whether if you can see the Petronas Twin Tower. I guess you should be able to see. Okay, now let me just fly. Battery 41%. I couldn't see how much, but it's around 43, I guess. Okay, now let's turn. I mean, go further. Okay, Kuala Lumpur. This is Kuala Lumpur. Turn to my, yeah, usually I turn to my left. Now I turn to my right. Okay, it changes. Turn to my right. I'll do it slowly so that you can have a good view around Kuala Lumpur. Yep, go. My beautiful city. Slowly. Yeah. Okay, it's flying back to home point. Well, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you very much. Again, for those of you who's new to my channel, I hope you may support me. You may consider subscribe to my channel. And of course, I really hope for your thumbs up, which is very important to me. This will encourage me to make more and better contents in the future. Now the drone is flying at 83 meters altitude, and the drone just passed by myself. Okay, I make another right turn and I have to fly back home. Oh, sorry, I turned too fast. Yep. Sorry. Yep. Yep. Okay, I will drop the altitude much lower because I am going to land the drone already. Yep. Because I know the battery is going to be weak soon. Okay. As I said, I used to pass by the construction site every day, and I can see there's a lot of changes from the main road, so I know there's a lot of changes already by now. Okay, drone is coming down 37, 36 meters. Now, this beautiful drone. Just show you how strong it is, the wind now. I'll fly over to this coconut tree. Turn to my right, so you can see how strong is the wind now. But the drone is able to handle very well, no problem at all. It's flying so stable, no problem at all. And as usual, DJI have this kind of very good gimbal. You can see the quality of this, the stability of the footage. It's good, very good. You can see how strong is the wind. All right, try a little bit more. Yep, and I'll try to turn around so they can see is the surrounding here. This is the place where I used to fly my drone whenever I update this construction site. Okay. Yeah, I can see the drone is really struggling over there because the wind is quite strong. Okay. You can see how strong is the wind. Oh. Drone is really struggling. You can see, you can look at the trees, how strong is the wind. Okay. Now, let me just fly over to the other side and make a U-turn before I land it. Okay, turn to my slow turn to my left. Yeah, battery is low already. I have to land the drone. Turns to my left. And okay, here comes the drone. Okay, I hope the tripod camera is still recording. Oh no, it's not recording. Record. Okay. Now let me bring down the drone. I'm flying the drone towards the tripod's camera before I land it. As you can see, the drone It's really struggling with the wind. You can see how it struggles. Okay, it's shaking. Okay, now I think I have to land the drone already. Oh God, look at the drone. Poor thing. Okay, now I have to land the drone. Okay, a bit further. And I land over here.
Landing.
Okay, landing. Perfect. Good landing. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy watching the video, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. That will encourage me to make more and better content in the future. As usual, for those of you who's new to my channel, I hope you may consider subscribe to my channel to support my small little channel here. Thank you very much. And I hope I can make more quality videos for you all. Do comment if you think you have any suggestion, what sort of video that you like, drones related content. Okay, do let me know. As usual, happy always. Do take care, and I'll see you on the next one. My DJI Mini 2 SE, the beautiful drone. Bye bye.